Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Care channel. Today, we're talking about a common but challenging issue for many parents: how to treat a stuffy nose in babies. If your little one is dealing with nasal congestion, it can disrupt their sleep, feeding, and overall comfort. Thankfully, there are safe and natural ways to help clear their stuffy nose. Let's dive into some effective methods for relieving your baby's congestion at home. 1. Understanding baby nasal congestion. To treat your baby's stuffy nose, it's important to understand what might be causing it. Babies and toddlers frequently catch colds because their immune systems are still developing. But congestion can also result from allergies or even a small object lodged in the nose. It's best to identify the cause first, as the treatment can vary. In most cases, congestion is due to inflamed blood vessels and tissue in the nasal cavity, causing discomfort and trouble breathing. While cold medications aren't safe for children under 4, other remedies are available. Let's explore these safe options for soothing your baby's symptoms. 2. Safe and effective treatments. 1. Saline drops and suctioning. One of the safest and most effective ways to ease nasal congestion in babies is using saline drops or a saline spray. These are easy to find over the counter. Here's how to use them. Place 2 saline drops in each of your baby's nostrils. This will help loosen the mucus. After applying the drops, use a suction bulb to gently draw out the loosened mucus. Remember to squeeze the bulb before placing it in the nostril and release it to pull out mucus. Clean the bulb after each use and repeat this process before feedings or bedtime to help your baby breathe more comfortably. Avoid any saline solutions with added medications, as plain saline works best for babies and is gentle on their sensitive nasal passages. 2. Use a cool mist humidifier or vaporizer. Keeping the air moist can also help relieve your baby's stuffy nose. Use a cool mist humidifier in the room while they sleep. This added humidity can soothe their nasal passages and make breathing easier. Always follow cleaning instructions to prevent mold buildup and avoid using hot water, as it could be dangerous if spilled. 3. Steamy shower sessions. Another simple trick is to take your baby into the bathroom with you and run a hot shower to create steam. Hold your baby in the steamy room for a few minutes. This can help loosen mucus and make it easier for them to breathe. Just ensure the water isn't too hot and don't let your baby come into direct contact with it. 3. Additional tips for parents. Here are a few more tips to help clear up your baby's stuffy nose safely. Elevate the mattress. For babies older than 2, you might place a pillow under their mattress to create a slight incline, which can help drain mucus. Increase fluid intake. Encourage your baby to drink more fluids throughout the day, which helps thin out mucus and reduce congestion. Teach nose blowing. For toddlers, if your child is old enough, gently show them how to blow their nose by demonstrating yourself. We hope these tips help bring relief to your baby and make caring for them a little easier. For more helpful health tips for your family, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, a happy baby means a happy home.